have filmed in this light. I don't know why I did it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do a full face soft glam, yeah, so soft glam face, and I'm gonna just show you little tips and tricks that I do to achieve a smoky eye. It's gonna be an easy smoky eye look, so stay tuned and watch for more. I have already done my eyebrows. If you want to learn how I did my eyebrows or see how I did mine, then click the link below. Before I forget, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like beauty, self-care tips. Thank you. So one thing I do love about a smoky eye is just that you can do anything. So as long as it's like a darker eyeshadow than your skin, it's smoky eye, okay? Brown, or even just a different color, you can do a green smoky eye. So whatever color you want, you can do. So today I'm going to do a dark one. I used to love doing these for work. I used to work in retail as a makeup artist for Sephora, for Carolina Herrera in fragrance and makeup. I've also worked in Armani. So I'm well-rounded when it comes to makeup. I've worked with MAC, oh my god, the OG. How can I forget MAC? But yeah, I have worked with those brands and I have picked up a lot of tips and tricks. I have done a course as well in makeup, so I am well versed when it comes to makeup. And I do hope to share my tips and tricks with you. So let's get into it. Okay, first up, I'm gonna go in so much. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry down. Once that's dried down, let's go in with the foundation. I love NARS. Please sponsor me. I do love NARS. So I'm just gonna take a bit. I'm so like ratchet when it comes to putting on makeup. Like honestly, like yeah, I'm an artist and all that, but bruh, I'm no different from someone that is not an artist. Just go on, boom, boom, boom. Like if you guys didn't know, I am Nigerian. Well, I'm Irish born, but I'm also Nigerian. I'm gonna spray a little bit of my hydrating Hydro Grip. It's a Hydro Grip setting spray. Anyway. And I'm gonna go into it. This color I think was made for me, New Caledonia. Like I know other people argue otherwise, but this color was actually made for me. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. Now I'm going in with my concealer. I use Butterscotch and Chestnut concealer because I like it bright but not crazy bright that I'm looking like crazy on it. Has anyone tried the new matte curve case? Because I need to try the new matte curve case, but I'm using the curve case. I'm gonna use these two shades in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna go in. I really want to try the new curve case matte. It looks so good. Like I trust every Made by Mitchell product, I can't lie. Like it's so good. So good. But yeah. Okay. You can work with this. Okay. So now that that's on, I'm just gonna spray again my Hydro Grip Mist. Guys, bear me as I figure out how I'm gonna start these videos because honestly, I'm so nervous right now. Like, this is my first like proper makeup tutorial. Like I've been posting TikToks and Instagram reels, but I haven't actually been posting like proper long form detailed videos like this. And I'm like, okay, the silence is silencing, like, but I don't know what to say. Like I have a lot to say, but then I don't know how to say it. I don't know if that makes sense at all. I think that was rubbish what I just said, but that's how it came to my mind. So I'm just blending out. So going with the beauty blender. Sometimes I take off any excess I have on my hand, cover that with the beauty blender, and then just blend out. Okay, once everything is on, my eyes do look a bit crazy, but trust the process, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a bit of the blush in the pink one, which is called Cowlick. I'm just gonna place them in the high points of my cheek. I just like to put it here because I prefer it up than on the apples of my cheek. Brush, blend that out. And I like to go a little bit on the eyes. Just picked up a bit more. I think I have blush behind this as well, can't lie. It's hard not to have blush behind this, like the hell. Blush is amazing. Back in with that concealer again. Literally like just a smidge. Next, let's go into the powders, my favorite part. The Laura Mercier, put the excess at the back of my hand. This and press, press, press. The under eye. And I go back in again, but to bake. Leave this little bit right here. I'm gonna make sure it looks uniformed a bit. Just aim my nose a little bit. Don't forget the sides. Okay, and a little bit on the side like that. I'm gonna get my bronzer. I'm gonna use a curved case still. I love that everything is just in one. Bronzer, contour, blush, like everything is in one, like best thing ever. So I'm just Abby. He's like, where's that? Abby. Okay, so I've done a bit of bronzing. Now what I'm gonna do is do my bronzing, blush, blush, blush. Thank you for reminding me. I'm gonna use this Morphe M523 brush. I'm gonna use a bit of. Oh, I'm looking pinky. I love it. I'm gonna use some of my brow bone because I've been seeing that kind of trend, like a different color brow bone. Let's see how this works out, okay? We low-key freestyling here, okay? But yeah, okay, brow bone. Sometimes I just take a little bit on the nose because I'm just that kind of girl, okay? Oh god. Okay. So because we're doing a dark smoky eye, I am not gonna like prime my lids anymore. I already put concealer. I'm just gonna use a bit of translucent powder. I'm just gonna dust that off. Do people still do smoky eyes? I don't really know. Like, do people do eyeshadow in general? Let me know in the comments because honestly, a lot of people just want to do like a nice base blush. That's the trend right now. So I don't know who does. I love eyeshadow. I don't think I could stop doing eyeshadow. I feel like it completes my look. Like, so I'm just gonna dust off a little bit of. So I'm going in with the dark brown. I'm just packing it on. So I'm using the Matte 11 eyeshadow from the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with my YSL eye pencil. Go all over my lid, my bottom lid, like this. Because this dries down so quick, you need to work so quick with this one. But if you've got like a creamier eyeshadow, lovely for you. All of a sudden, I can't find my black eyeliners. But yeah, just blend that all the way up, so you can see how dark they look. Okay, I'm gonna go into the black, dust off any excess. I'm gonna first press it in on the areas that aren't as filled. I'm taking it again, dusting off the excess, pressing it in the areas that are not as filled, and blending upwards a little bit. Keep it quite controlled so it's not too all over the place. So the closer your hand is to the brush, the more control you have. The more it's out, then the more like free you want to be, like if you're trying to do a big blend. But if you want to do a quite controlled small blend, in. And then what I'm going to do is going to get my big brush again. I'm going to go for a lighter brown just to blend out the edges. One here, that's 7. Don't quote me on that. But I'm going to take it out a little bit. So you see my hand is towards the end of the brush. Just doing a little bit of a bigger blend. Back in again with the black one with no product on there. And just blend that a bit more. But yeah. The smoky eyes coming together. You can leave it like this if you want. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to go in with this palette. I'm going to go in with the green. Like the green shimmer here and this palette. Love, love, love this palette. I love green as an eyeshadow in general. So I might go for the darker green here just to keep it quite dark. This shimmer is just going to be popped in the middle. I feel like this will just kind of lock everything in together. Ooh, yes, I made the right choice. I made the right choice. Okay, so I'm using Rainforest. Okay. How are we liking this? Oh my god, I freaking love this. I'm just gonna go into my bottom lash. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I will explain in the comments or another video if it's needed. But yeah, please email me with any questions. I'm thinking of adding a little bit of eyeliner. Sometimes there's no point when you're doing a smoky eye like this, but just for like the culture in it, just add a little bit there because I used to do an eyeliner. Now it's time for mascara. Got some mascara. You can just go with the mascara, but we're dramatic over here, so we want a bit of eyelashes. With that same brush I used for the black, I'm just gonna go with a little bit on my under eye. Okay, and sometimes what I like to do is use like a neutral shade or a light shade of eyeshadow and just pop it on the inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in with Charlotte Tilbury spray. Last but not least, lips. So I've got a killer combo that I'm loving at the moment. It's brown lip liner. This lipstick, I love how creamy they are. My lips, oh my god. 2 lip glosses now. I'm gonna use my... So I've just used this lip gloss, Ginger Snap, the NYX Butter Gloss. Then I'm gonna use my Made by Mitchell. Just to give it more like brownie. That's my lip combo. Yeah. What do you guys think? Guys, I'm not perfect, but I'm striving to be better every day. So that's the finished look. We're gonna set and spray. Woo, ciao. I love the set and spray. It works so well, but it is so strong. I should have filmed in this light. I don't know why I didn't, but I don't know if you can see it better. But this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? Would you try it? Let me know in the comments below. What other types of looks do you want to see me do? Any tips, advice, anything? Just let me know and I'll deliver. Thank you. Bye guys.